limited edition Ford Cobras. So we have a 1978 Ford Falcon XC Cobra and we have a 2007 Ford Falcon Mk II FPV GT Rspec Cobra with a combined value of $375,000. Now I'm going to talk you through both of these cars, but let's start with this one. So, limited edition, build number 378 of 400. It comes with a factory 302CI engine as well as a factory automatic transmission and an authenticity certification. All right, so the exterior, it's an eye catcher with this awesome winter white paint job with the classic blue GT stripes and also 15-inch globe wheels. As for the interior, we have a black interior with blue detailing, as well as power steering, aircon, and power windows. All right, now moving on to the 2007 Cobra. So this one, also limited edition, build number 222 of 400. It's a 6-speed manual transmission with a 5.4-litre Boss 302 V8 engine. Now, as for the exterior, we have a winter white paint job with blue stripes. For the interior, we have a black interior with original dash, as well as factory Brembo brakes and original 19-inch wheels. So as a reminder, these have a combined value of $375,000 and they could both be yours. Get your packages now. It's Jackie from Classics, where we proudly support veterans.